Hey guys, this is PamelaFrilot. Welcome again to my channel. So I literally have work in a few minutes, but I decided to sit down and talk to you guys about taxes. So my channel is about fitness, finance, and fashion. So since it's tax season, I figured this is the perfect time to go a little bit over taxes. And in this video, I'm gonna give as much information as I can if you're trying to file your own taxes. So for this video, we're gonna go over if it's best for you to file your own taxes, and if it's not best for you to file your own taxes, who you should hire to file your taxes, and if it is best for you to file your own taxes, what softwares you should go about using to file your taxes, or where you should go to file your own taxes. And then also I'll talk about when taxes are due and some scams to avoid. So yeah, let's start it off with if it's right for you to file your own taxes. So should you file your own taxes? So if your life is nowhere near complicated and you're taking the standard deduction, then I don't know why you won't be able to do your own taxes, and I'll talk about softwares and stuff that will help you go ahead with that. But if you don't know anything about taxes and you're self-employed, have rental income, or something major happened to you this year, then I think it will probably be best to have someone sit down with someone else and have them help you out with filing your taxes. And then with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about how to find someone to file your taxes. So who should you hire to file your taxes? So unfortunately, in most states, people are not required to be licensed to file your taxes, so anyone can go ahead and file your taxes, but you should be careful and try to figure out the credentials of the person that are filing your taxes, because only 3 types of people are allowed to represent you if you're being audited by the IRS, and those are a certified public accountant, an enrolled agent, or a tax attorney. So only those 3 people, if anything goes wrong or anything happens, those 3 people are the only people allowed to represent you. So if you're choosing, you can choose whoever, but be mindful of that and be careful and make sure that you ask for their certifications and stuff that your tax so if you do decide filing your own taxes is best for you, which is actually pretty simple to do for most people with non-complicated lives, then how you can go about it is first by, I guess, through TurboTax and H&R Block. They all have free softwares. I'll go ahead and link their website below, and then also if I can find a step-by-step tutorial on how to get it done. I'll go ahead and link that below as well. But I've personally used TurboTax. I filed manually in the past, and I've used TurboTax in the past, and they're pretty straightforward. Like, there's no, I mean, they'll walk you through everything. They'll walk through your status, whether single, married, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, widow, widower. Yeah, it will just literally just like if you use the app, or you can do it on the web, like it will literally show you steps to take. With that being said, they do offer premium and other packages that you have to pay for, but if you're filing a 1040 EZ, there's no reason for you to go ahead and buy something that you don't need. So for most people with simple, non-complicated situations, is just it's easy for you to just go ahead and just get this basic one, and it will walk you through it, and you realize how non-complicated filing your own tax. Also, if you go on the IRS website, the Volunteer Income Tax Assistant offers help for people that make $54,000 or less, people with disability, and people who have limited English speaking skills. So if you go on there, I'll go ahead and link the website to the IRS below as well. And if you go on there, you can get help with your taxes if you meet the qualifications. So you can read up more on that. So when are your taxes due? I'm sure most of you already know this. And normally taxes are due April 15th, but for this year we get an extra 2 days. So this year taxes are actually due April 7th. Some people are normally happy about tax season because they get to get refund and not have to pay. But with the happiness that comes with tax season, some people get scammed and some people try to scam people. So I felt it was right to talk about not being scammed whilst I'm talking about tax. So one thing to look out for, the IRS will not call you demanding payment without they normally sent a bill in the mail. And one thing to look out for is they won't call and ask you to give them a credit card number over the phone. They won't call and not give you a chance. If they call, they'll give you a chance to question or to appeal the charge. So they won't call threatening to take you to your local law enforcement. They won't ask you to give your credit card over the phone. So just be mindful and on giving out card information, or be mindful with scams and refund scams or people claiming to be the IRS. Be mindful of that this tax season, and be sure to not, no matter what you do, don't give out no credit card without researching or without making sure that you're in the right hands, because a lot of that will be happening. Just be safe, that's all. Anyway, so if you have any other questions, I have work in a few minutes, so I try to make this as quick as possible. So if I missed anything, or if you have any specific questions, just be sure to drop a comment. Just be sure to drop a comment below, and then I'll try to answer when possible. And then also be sure to subscribe, so because I will make whenever I get a chance, I will make sure to make a video on how to build your credit, and videos on how to save over 10K a year, and a lot of how to budget properly, how to travel and still save, a whole bunch of finance related videos when I get a chance. So be sure to subscribe for that. And then also, if you want, like, you know, how to get some cheap clothes and whatnot, just be sure to check out my other videos and my fitness videos. And if you want to get a flat tummy and stuff, you know, self-advertising. Anyways, I really gotta go. So all right, thank you guys for watching, and if you've made it this far, then definitely be sure to subscribe. All right, bye guys.